Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream caramel Dr. Oetker. First, gather your Dr. Oetker creme caramel mix and any additional ingredients like milk. Next, take the caramel sachet from the box. Gently melt this caramel in a small saucepan over a low heat until it becomes a smooth, liquid consistency. Once melted, carefully pour the warm caramel into 4 individual ramekins or a larger mold, ensuring an even coating on the bottom. Now, let's prepare the creamy custard. Empty the contents of the custard powder sachet into a saucepan. Gradually add 500 milliliters of cold milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue to stir constantly as the mixture slowly thickens. Once it reaches a good consistency, bring it to a gentle boil for about 1 minute, still stirring. With your caramel base ready, it's time for the custard. Carefully pour the hot, prepared custard over the caramel layer in each of your ramekins or mold. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish filled with about 1 inch of hot water, creating a water bath. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 minutes. Afterward, let them cool, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. To serve your delicious creme caramel, gently run a thin knife around the inner edge of each chilled ramekin. This helps loosen the dessert from the sides. Place a serving plate over the top of the ramekin, then carefully invert it. The creme caramel should slide out smoothly, with the rich caramel sauce cascading over the custard. It's a truly delightful treat. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.